Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be talk about FASTag. Yeah, previously till November 31st, 2018, so many don't know about FASTag. But from December 1st, 2018, so many trying to know about FASTag. Why? Because government has changed the rules from money system to the FASTag system in toll gates plaza. And so many are getting issues in while ordering a FASTag. So to clear all these issues, there is a one solution which is our video. So stay tuned till the end of this video and please share and subscribe our channel. And coming first is its FASTag ordering, which is so many don't know about how to order a FASTag. We have so many streams to order a FASTag, which is you have Paytm, Axis Bank, ICICI, and still there are so many. But I prefer Paytm. In the Paytm we have less documentation, so it is easy to order in Paytm, and it consumes less time, and it has it orders approximately less than 3 to 4 days courier to our home. But coming to the ICICI and Axis Bank, we have more documentation, we have to fill up more, and it consumes more time. And coming to the delivery time, it takes so much time to deliver to our home. So please prefer to the Paytm. It is easy and time consumption is very less in the Paytm. Coming to the main course, how to order a FASTag.
So go to Paytm app, click on the Paytm app. So coming to the Paytm home screen, you can see here more option. Click on the more option. After that, you can see here so many options, but don't tap on anything. Tap on toll and FASTag. After that, you can see here toll and FASTag home screen. Here so many options are there, but don't go to that options. First, click on the buy FASTag. After that, it will ask the registration number of your vehicle. Type your registration number. After clicking your registration number of your vehicle, you can read product details. After completion of the product details, you can see here price breakup, which is tag price 100 rupees, and refundable security deposit 250, and minimum balance to be maintained is 150. So after seeing your instructions and product details, and click on the buy now, and they provide so many options to pay, and we have to pay is 500 rupees. But here so many options are there to pay. This EMI is there, debit, credit, HDFC, SBI, and Paytm wallet is also they are providing. So if you want to pay anyway, if you want to pay through Paytm wallet or credit or debit, you have to pay 500 rupees. After paying 500 rupees, it will automatically take your order, and within 3 to 4 days they will courier your order.
Guys, I gathered some of the clips. It might be helpful for you, so don't close the video.
Traveling is super fun, but waiting at toll plazas while traveling, absolutely not. Can this become smarter and non-stop too? Of course, with FASTag. So let's see, how do you affix the Paytm FASTag on your vehicle? This is your Paytm FASTag, which you will be sticking on your vehicle's windscreen. Remember to apply FASTag from inside your vehicle. Carefully remove the adhesive strip from your FASTag and stick it right in the center of your windscreen, behind the rear view mirror. Last but not the least, simply add money to your Paytm wallet using UPI or any bank account. And that's it, it's done. Now, whenever you cross any toll plaza, your FASTag will automatically deduct toll charges from your Paytm wallet. Easy, isn't it? So get your Paytm FASTag today and zip through tolls without stopping. अब FASTag के लिए Paytm करो. The Digital India program launched by the Government of India carries the vision to transform India into a digitally empowered society and a knowledge economy by ensuring that most of the government services are made available to the citizens digitally. Digitizing toll plazas has been a major challenge for the government since a long time. Paytm Payments Bank offers comprehensive payment services for merchants and customers. It was with this background that we were given the opportunity to be a part of NHAI's National Electronic Toll Collection FASTag project in the year 2017. FASTag is a simple, reloadable tag which enables automatic payment of toll charges and lets you pass through the toll plaza without stopping for the cash transactions. Since our association with FASTag, we have successfully captured significant market share, crossing over 5 lakh plus users in less than a year, with more than 100,000 vehicles transacting per day at over 415 toll plazas. FASTag provides convenience and comfort to consumers in numerous ways. No more waiting in long vehicle queues, as FASTag enables the user to zip through the toll plaza through the dedicated FASTag lanes. Moreover, Paytm Payments Bank FASTag benefits the users by allowing them to easily load money into Paytm without paying any additional cost. Further, there is no need to add money individually for different vehicles, making the toll receipts readily available in the Paytm app, which is accessible with just one touch, prompting users through SMS for all types of toll transactions, providing easy activation and deactivation option on the Paytm app for the consumers to avoid misuse of money, allowing the same Paytm app to be used for making FASTag payments to be also used for shopping, paying for fuel, or making bill payments. Having a dedicated 24/7 helpline number 1800-102-6480 and highly skilled ground team to provide solution readily for Paytm Payments Bank FASTag users. Paytm Payments Bank FASTag can be purchased by consumers easily online or through POS locations near the toll plazas. FASTag by Paytm Payments Bank enables every Indian to support the government's initiative aimed at digitizing India and become a part of the world's fastest growing economy. It is time to take a smart step today to build a brighter future tomorrow.